All right, this is insane, but yesterday I made $1,000 in a single day from my app that is trying to end doom scrolling. And I know this channel is all about ending doom scrolling and talking about how we can do that without blocking the apps or all this stuff. But I need to record this video selfishly to share how I'm feeling right now because I know that future me is really going to enjoy this. And also, maybe you can learn something from this process because to get to $1,000 in a single day took about 18 months of preparation and basically just making no money. So it's pretty crazy, but I'm euphoric today. I'm very excited. It is pretty awesome. However, I remembered that even a week ago, there was times when I didn't feel like doing any of this. I didn't feel like making this video. I didn't feel like working on the app. I did not feel like it. It was terrible. But no one cares. No one cares. No one cares about those days when they see you win. They just assume that it was always easy and you've always been winning. And that's okay. That's how it is. But you have to remember that. Like, I have to remember that still, that a lot of the time when I don't want to do the thing that actually is the thing I need to do, I should just suck it up and do it because it's actually really, really fun to win, to see the results later. And I'm not going to see them if I don't put in the efforts and the inputs now. It's as simple as that. It seems complex. It seems so complicated. You don't have to think too hard about it, though. You just have to try hard, and you will be okay if you try hard and you really keep going, keep going, keep going. I had that pasted like everywhere. I have it here on my desktop, here on my wallpaper, here on my sticky note. Keep going. That is like the heaviest thing I can say right now. Um, I know you're watching this video and you're like, when is he gonna get to talking about the app? Well, honestly, this video is just for me. I'm sorry. This video is just for me. You can click off now. I'm making this video not to showcase my app that is now at 70,000 freaking users. 70 freaking thousand. Which is insane because that's 20,000 in the last month. People signed up for Curiosity Quench. People who are getting action plans to do the things they actually want to do and scroll less on their phones. That is insane. That is insane. Anyways, I'm sorry. This video is just for me, but this is day 346. I've been making this app. I'm working on something really special right now to help me, to help a lot of other creators. And yeah, this is just the beginning. We're going to end doom scrolling. We're going to take over the world. We're going to do so much. But that means I have to get back to work and stop talking to my camera. But this is work too, okay? I'm not saying this isn't useful. This is useful. But it's mostly for myself, okay? If you're watching this video and you are are just like, what do I do next? I don't know. Do something you're interested in doing. Form a goal, form a plan, and do it daily and have fun. You will have fun. Okay, it might not be super fun, like to do work all the time, but the end results and like the process, the fulfillment you will feel goes up substantially the more you work on something, the more effort you put into it. That's all I have for today. I don't have the answers to all of life, but I do think that two simple words that mean a lot to me are keep going. We've gotten here $1,000 in one day. It's actually crazy. That's crazy, right? I was living off of my McDonald's savings like, I don't know, 2 years ago, and now we're here. Yeah. A lot can happen when you try hard and show up every day. But I'll be honest, it wasn't like the hardest thing in the world. It was just, it became fun. It became a game. And it became second nature, like brushing my teeth. Maybe I am not special. Maybe I have it good. I do have it good. Okay, I'm lucky. But I think that's no reason for you not to try. That's it for today. I love you guys. Please take care. Please touch grass. Please scroll less on your phone and do more of the things you actually enjoy with your time. And work on the things that matter to you too. Okay. I love you. Keep going. Keep moving forwards. Take care.